Hi, my name is Nurse Grace. Today I will talk about self-breast examination, where 8 out of 10 women detected breast cancer or breast lump. It is important to know that every woman know the basic self-breast examination. There's two components, which is the look and feel. There's a first part of the breast examination, which is you will you will stand or sit in front of the mirror with your clothes off. You will see if there's any differences. You will also examine the nipples if the other one is redder from the other. You might want to put your hands beside your hips. Stand side to side. See if there's any differences. You want to put your elbow forward to your hips because this will draw any lumps that uh, that you can see. It is important also to put your hands above your head. This will draw out the puckering or dimpling of any lumps, because it is when you put your hands above your head, the skin will be tight, and also it will bring out any lumps that underneath the nipples. That is the end of the first part of the examination. The second part of the self-breast examination is you will go lay down with a pillow, prop yourself, put your put your hands underneath your head, and the other hand is just 3 fingers. Don't use the 2 fingers because it might separate the tissue. You wanna use the 3 fingers. You will looking for something that stand out, that feels different. There's a two ways to check, which is the other one is the circular motion, the other one is up and down. But I recommend the circular motion. To make sure, you will check all the surroundings, overlapping it. You will start from the collarbone to the sternum, to the mid chest, underneath your breast, and the underarm. The lymph node usually do it in the underarm. It usually get bigger during the breast examination. You will check something that is stand out. You will look for something that like peas, marbles, or walnut. That stand out is different. That will stand out uh, during the breast examination. It is important to to check it same time each month. And remember also that checking the self-breast examination is really important for the women to check if there's any changes or to make notes so you can alert your doctor. Thank you.